Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can buy the PAW token from our ICO. First of all, you have to visit ICO You have to sign up here in order to create your account. Agree with the terms and conditions and create an account. You can save your details if you want. Verify your account with us. If you go to your email, you will find a Legendary PAW email sent to you. You just press the confirm email address and everything should be just okay. Now you can sign in. Okay, now we are into the dashboard. You can here see the smart contract. This is the token balance. Here you will have to make the kick application. The receiving wallet is very important to add it, so you just go to your MetaMask or Trust wallet, go to Smart Chain. If you don't have the Smart Chain, you will have to add it as the PAW token. It is working for the moment on the Binance Smart Chain. Copy your address, go back to the website and paste it here. Add wallet. Now your wallet has been added. In order to buy token, you can press buy token now. You will have to choose how you would like to pay, with BNB, with Ethereum, with Bitcoin, or with USDT. Here we can see that you can buy a minimum amount of 100 PAW. This is the minimum contribution accepted. So we will say 100 with Ethereum. After you can make a payment. In this moment, you can see here, you can pay 0.1137 Ethereum to receive 100 PAW. Pay via crypto. I hereby agree. Okay. Buy token now. Your order has been placed successfully. The most important thing, you have to send the amount of Ethereum to the address below. This is our address. We have made all of this manually. So you have to go to your wallet and transfer the desired crypto to our wallet. After you send it, you can add again the payment address, the address from where you paid the amount, and confirm payment. If you just confirm payment without sending the Ethereum, you will not be credited into your account. Okay? If you press cancel the order will be cancelled. You have to first send manually the crypto to our account from here, or you can scan this. After you send the crypto and you press confirm payment, you will wait maximum 12 hours until our team, now I just cancel the payment, until our team will verify that you sent us the required cryptocurrency. If you made the payment, then on your dashboard you will see your token balance. Okay? At the end of the ICO, you will see here the raised amount info. Also, you see how many days we have left until the ICO will finish.